Hey YouTube, bots break time of 2012 Benchwarmer bolts. Alright, let's take a look, see what we get. 7 hits, 1 factory seal bots. Alright, let's get some good stuff. Alright. Here we go. Our factory seal bots has one of my favorite girls, Brandy Roderick. She's one of my favorite Benchwarmer girls. And I have not opened this bots yet, but I've seen it. Okay. So look for authentic. 36 packs in here. Oh, it's a lot of packs. Should be 2 autographs in here. We'll do a separate video for that one. Let's take a look what our little pack has. Okay. First up, we should bring the back card. Back card is a gold edition promo card with Mary Riley on one side and Lisa Gleave on the other. So promo card. Next we got Tiffany Keys, Benchwarmer Bolt. Oh, we got one of my favorite girls, Tori Wilson, Benchwarmer Bolt Cop. Awesome. And we got a Kiss card, Lisa Gleave Signature Series Kiss card. Cool. Sets of 16. And we got a nice one here, Lisa Ligon, 2003 San Diego Comic-Con. Nice. And we got a we scored big time. We scored big time. Holly Madison. This gotta go for quite a bit. 10 of 16 Holly Madison. And we got Molly Shea also. Wow, I think we score. Pretty cool. Alright, nice bots break. We'll open this one in another video. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube.